We're just watching the Budster eat some watermelon. I gave him a big chunk, and he's probably going to eat most of it. Nope, he's done with it. But he was already eating a lot of it prior to me starting filming. Hey, what's up, Bud? Hi. Watch your feet. You're kicking me in the face. Hey. What you doing? Sorry for coughing. He doesn't like it when I cough. Hey, Bud. He's on my back right now. Hey, Bud. Let's focus that. There you go. What's up? I gave him some stuff to stash. He hasn't stashed them yet. Generally, he likes to stash the nuts. Nice yawn. I think this is going to be a short one. What you doing? Nope. Yep, it's a short one. Especially since I'm coughing. Hi. Yeah, I'm just coughing. All right, that's it.